Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to IT First Solutions. In this video we are going to learn about SQL and OR operators. Okay, so let's start. The and OR operators are used to filter record based on more than one condition. If you look at our existing examples, our previous examples we have done so far, we are filtering records on the basis of single column where district is equals to this and where district is equals to this, and over here we are filtering this city column on the city employees table on the single column, that is city. But with the help of and OR operator we can filter our records on the multiple columns or multiple conditions. Okay, so first understand and OR operators are basically same operators which you have learned in our Python or C# or C++ course, and it has same definition in all our cases. These are the basically logical gates we have learned in the basics of physics in our college, or we have also learned this in, you can say, in our computer science basics. So AND operator specifies if all our conditions are correct, then it will execute. If any single condition becomes wrong, then it will not execute. OR operator, if we have two or three or more than three conditions, if any single condition is correct, then our program or our query will be executed. So this was the basics. The AND operator displays a record if both first and second or many conditions are correct, then it will display. But the OR operator, if only single one condition will correct, then it will definitely display the records. Okay, so let's start by writing some examples so you can understand better. So we have currently loaded employees from cities and districts. Okay, now I will use these AND operators. Okay, so select all from employees where I want to you can say I want to filter these employees record on the basis of districts and cities both. So let's say I want to filter all employees whose city is Mirpur and district is Lahore. It doesn't make sense, but this is example. Okay, so if you run this query, look at this, we don't have any employees which have at the same time city Mirpur and district Lahore, because this is AND operator. So if I want to select employees where city is equal to Lahore and if district is equal to Lahore, control F5, and look at this, we have these two employees from where city and district matches the desired condition. If I want to select employees from city whose city is Lahore and whose gender is female, okay, control F5, and look at this, we don't have any. We have employees whose city is Lahore, but we don't have any employee whose gender is female. So this is AND operator. We have multiple conditions and we can specify these multiple conditions. A lot of time we are using these multiple conditions. If you look at this, we use OR operator. OR operator, as I have told you in the definition section, if any one condition from this where clause is true, then this will display the records. Okay, so we have this condition which is correct. We have two employees from Lahore district, but we don't have this condition. So if you execute this query, look at this, we have two employees from district Lahore, but we don't have employees from we don't have employees whose gender is female. So this is how you can use OR or you can say and OR operators. You can even combine and OR operators. You can write as many conditions as you want. So you have learned about and OR operators. If you want to combine these two operators, so how to do? Look at this, we have where city is equals to this and now I am going to apply multiple conditions, and district is equals to, look at this, I am going to specify and district which we don't have, Karachi or district. This is this is not case sensitive language, so you can write Lahore. Okay, district. So we have combined this, but this according to the definition of AND, it will execute. So if we have these over here, we are using OR operator. So if our this condition and this whole condition is true, then definitely our program will execute, otherwise if it will not execute. Okay, so look at this, our program is executing. Why? Because we are using AND operator, but in between these we are using OR operator, which will, in this case we have two implies from district Lahore and this condition is correct, so it will return this whole parenthesis section will return true, and this condition is already true, we have city Lahore and this will also return true, then we can get records over here. So if I write Karachi over here and we don't have city Karachi, so although this is returning true in case of Lahore, but we don't have city Karachi over here, and we have AND operator between this and this. If this will return false, then we don't have any record. So you can make sure by clicking execute button. Look at this, we don't have any records over here. So you can do vice versa. If these both conditions will return, we don't have any city Karachi and Faisalabad. So this OR operator, if both conditions are wrong, then this operator will return false, and if this condition is true, we have two implies from Lahore, but we don't have any implies from Karachi or Faisalabad, but then this will return false. Then true and false will always become false because we are using AND operator. So if you execute this one, look at this, we don't have any employees from Lahore whose district is from Karachi and district is from Faisalabad. So this is how you can use AND and OR operator. These are very popular and these are very important operators which you will be writing again and again in your programs and your store procedures. So learn these operators very well and keep in mind these operators are very important for your SQL store procedure or SQL queries. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share, click on subscribe button to my channel and share, and also comment on the below comment section. So we'll meet again in the next video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.